Part 2 reveals 3 brilliant kitchen solutions. They save time, reduce effort, and boost comfort. These innovations simplify cooking and inspire confidence. Experience a luxurious upgrade. Order yours today.
Perfect dumplings every time with almost no effort. Create beautiful dumplings, ravioli, fruit pies, and more with one simple tool. No more uneven or messy results. Fill, fold, and press to seal perfect pockets quickly and effortlessly. Easy to use, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. Buy now on eBay. You'll find the product link in the first comment and video description.
Enjoy perfectly crushed garlic in seconds. Durable stainless steel construction designed for daily cooking. Crush garlic quickly without the mess. Spend less time preparing and more time enjoying your meals. A smart kitchen tool you'll use every day. Buy now on eBay. Find the product link in the first comment and video description.
Enjoy perfectly crushed garlic with less effort and better flavor. Strong, durable, and built to last for everyday kitchen use. Crush garlic quickly and easily without the mess. Prepare ingredients faster and make cooking more enjoyable. The perfect kitchen gadget for every home cook. Order now from eBay. You'll find the product link in the first comment and video description. Love smart kitchen discoveries? Subscribe to Smart Kitchen Picks, like this video, and never miss amazing gadgets, tips, reviews,